Hello, welcome back to my channel Afi's Notebook. Today I have come up with a review and an unboxing video of a disposable diaper named Supples. So let me say first of all, this is not a promotional video or this is not a product which they sent me and asked me to review of this product. I'm doing this with my own intention and I have used it many times and I'm conveying you a truthful review of this product. So keep watching the video full. I brought this from Amazon, online store Amazon, and the cost is very less compared to other diapers which we use frequently or most of the people use. So I'm saying that this is best solution for nighttime diaper using, also daytime. Nighttime I didn't feel any leakage for this. See, this is medium size which I bought for my baby. This video was taken months ago, so this size is medium. Now I'm using large size for my girl. She's 1 years and 4 months. So let me say I didn't feel any leakage or any rashes for my baby since her skin is somewhat sensitive skin, but she didn't get any rashes or any problems by using this diaper. So if you just try for your baby and you can understand what is the result. Let me say for this diaper I think each diaper cost 9 rupees. It may vary for different sizes like small, medium, large. Rates may vary, but the rates will be stucking into like 9 rupees, 8 rupees, not more than that. But let me say when we buy Mammy Poco or Pampers, the rates are like one piece cost 11 or 12 rupees. Likewise. So I have also done another video of teddy diapers which I tried for my baby. It was also a good disposable diaper. This brand is available in most of the Indian online stores like Amazon, Flipkart, Firstcry. Also, I think in some parts it's available in wholesale shops. In Kerala, I don't know whether it's available or not. So different sizes are available like small, medium, large. X large is also available in the online store. So now we can just open it and see how it is stacked inside. So I'm saying that this same video is available in Malayalam. So if you have any Malayali friends, please don't forget to share it with them and do give your comments below. Also, if you are a parent using this diaper, please give your suggestions so that other viewers can also trust this product. So here is the product. So this is the color which I bought for the medium size. This is the pattern, or this is the model of the diaper pant diapers. So it's good now. It's enough flexible and it is smooth, no rough surfaces are there. So the thing I liked is that the smell is good. Mainly the smell of Pampers brand I don't like, but this brand and Teddy brand, Mammy Poco brands and all smell is good. The smell of that diaper. Also, me and my sister-in-law used this brand for our babies, and we are happy. We are satisfied with this product. We were using by sharing it because first of all when I saw this product I thought of buying a small pack and trying it, but I didn't find small pack. Mainly it starts from 62 counts, 78 counts, more than 1000 counts. There are many offers also available, so we planned that we will buy a pack and divide the money and divide the diapers and try it out. And let me say truthfully, we were happy for using this, and my sister-in-law also was saying that it's very easy to dispose. Disposing is a main problem while using disposable diapers. It is very easy to tear off, and it is very easy to uh, give a fire or dispose. So I was happy for that purpose also.
The thing I noticed is that when we tear off the gel part and the upper part of the diaper, it comes easily separated. But in case of another diapers like even Mammy Poco also, it's difficult to separate the gel part.
And here is another request. If you're watching this video and you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click on the bell button aside. If you select that bell button, you'll get 3 options. In that 3 options, please select all so that you'll get all the notifications of the videos I upload further. Then I'll show the description box. Right side of the title is a description box. In that there will be the link of previous videos or the videos I mentioned in this video. Apart from review videos, there are another videos done in my channel. If you want, you can check that also. So click on my channel name, so you will enter into my homepage. There will be videos. Videos are given in order, so you can check out. Also, for easier search, you can look playlist. In playlist, it is given blogs, day in my life, craft, diapering session, DIY, best out of waste. So it is given separately. In each and every channel, the same process is done. Also, in the next, there will be community. So there will be community posters. So you can select from that. So the link of this video, the review of Teddy diapers, I have done months ago. The link is given in the description box. If you want, you can check it out in my description.
So I'm winding up my video. Don't forget to share it with your friends, mommies who have small babies using disposable diapers. Thank you for watching.